Welcome to 6204 Burning Bush Court, located in the Russwood Acres subdivision in Pleasant Garden, North Carolina, which is located in southeast Guilford County. This house is located on a sizable lot on a quiet cul-de-sac, and it has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a bonus room, and a possible 5th bedroom. And from here you can see the vast front yard. And here we look up at the front of the home and the garage area. So we enter right into the foyer. It's got a slate floor. Straight ahead you've got the den, but here directly to the right we've got a large living room. We've got French doors down to the other end leading to the dining room, and more doors headed back toward the entryway. The dining room, lots of natural light. There is a great updated kitchen. We've got brand new cabinets, granite countertops, this really cool glass tile backsplash, like I said, stainless steel appliances, smooth top, electric range, undermounted toaster oven, beautiful stainless steel refrigerator. And then it goes over here and it's open to this nice breakfast area with the bay window. And then to the right of that is the laundry room with access to the outside. And right here, just inside the breakfast room, we've got this fantastic huge pantry with wood shelving. That leads into the den that has hardwood floors. We've got some built-ins and a brick fireplace and a door that leads out into this terrific sunroom, which we'll see in a few minutes. Let's go down the hall. Right here we've got a coat closet. And let's go on down to the master bedroom. Right here we've got the door that leads out to the sunroom. 2 big closets. A completely redone master bath with dual vanity, tile floor, and a really nice big tile shower with sliding glass doors. Come out of the master and immediately to your right is bedroom 2. And right next to that is bedroom 3. And then across the hall from that we have the hall bathroom with a double vanity and a tub shower combo. Have another closet out here in the hall, a linen closet with shelving. Now let's check out the upstairs. And from the top of the stairs you turn to the right. And we've got a very spacious closet with wood shelving. Across the hall from that is the bathroom with a single vanity, updated lighting, and a tile tub shower. And then on the right end of the hall we've got this bedroom. It's got some really cool angles. And there is a closet back here. And we'll head back down the hall, which would be to your left after you come up the stairs. And we've got these bonus rooms. A lot of great space. There's also storage in here. And some little cool nooks and crannies. And here's the final space. We've got another closet here. So I guess this could be bedroom number 5. if you wanted it. Now let's go check out the sunroom. Down at the bottom of the stairs in the den is the door to the sunroom. This is a great, large space. This space right here could be used for dining or a game table. Just all kinds of things that you could do with this space. And then right through this door is the brick patio. It leads to over here. There's the door that goes into the laundry room, and then you've got a side door for the garage right there. Walk up here from the sunroom to the pool. It appears that the winds have blown the cover in the pool, but nevertheless, there's a pool here with storage shed over there and a little pool house right there. Nice big backyard. Just terrific space on this property. Lots of privacy. Here's the back of the house. So again, this is 6204 Burning Bush Court in the Russwood Acres subdivision and Pleasant Garden in southeast Guilford County.